काळ्या हळडुळ्या टॅक्सी आड आमी ना, फक्त गोंयांत अपडेट सिस्टम तयार करपाचो आमचो हेतू आसा. कांय आदल्या लिडरांक अपडेट जावपाची गरज आसा. तांच्या पोटार आड आमी येवचे ना. आमी गोंयकारां बरोबर आसात म्हण कुडचडेचो आमदार निलेश काब्राल उलयला. आरडीएक्सको खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर परवरच्यान कॅन्झिल रॉड्रिग्स.
But he does not understand the local issue. I was unfortunately not told about it, and Goa tourism means either Honorable Tourism Minister Shri Babu Aswankar or myself should have been there. Unfortunately, we were not there. But he will be coming. I will explain to him that it is not the situation as he thinks it is, and that I have never said black and yellow आमका नाका. आम्ही सांगलेलं की आमका जाय त्याच्या वांगडा आम्ही काम करता, पण ते एडमेंट आसा कितें तरी करपाक, आनी तेंच्या एडमेंटा खातीर ते ऑलरेडी ताजान ऑलरेडी चालू केल्ले आसा. आनी असले मागीर कितले सर्विसीस जातले, इतले वर्सां गव्हर्मेंटान प्रोटेक्ट केल्ले, पूण अशें जर ते एडमेंट रावले जाल्यार मागीर ते 4-5 कावंटर जातले आनी मागीर ते शेणटले. तेणी तेंचे लिडर थोडे आसा ते आउटडेटेड आसा. ते लिडरांक खबर ना आपणाक कितें जाय ते. आज टॅक्सी जे आसा गोंयांत न्ही, एअरपोर्ट कितल्या हजारांनी एअरपोर्ट देशभर आहा, आमचे वर्ल्डभर आहे, आनी त्या एअरपोर्टान कशें सिस्टम चलता हो सिस्टमूय आमी करूंक सोदता. आमी कोणाच्या पोटार येवंक सोदना, पूण लिडरांक ते सांगला ते भशेन ते आउटडेटेड जाल्ले आसा थोडे लिडर. तांकां अपडेट करपाक जाय, आनी अपडेट करपाक हांवें इवन लास्ट मिटींग 10 दीस पयलीं मोविन बाबा कडेन मिटींग घेवन तांकां उलयल्लें. आनी मोविन बाबा हेज ऑल्सो टोल्ड दॅट यू जस्ट कॅनॉट कंटिन्यू अँड होल्ड टुरिस्ट अँड गोवन पीपल ऑन रॅन्सम. यू हॅव टू फायंड सोल्युशन, and if the GTDC and tourism department is ready to help you, why you are not going on board? So honorable MLA and Minister of Panchayat, he had asked me for another 4 days, which I said we will give. But if they don't act, we will start our own counter. That is, we have already decided. Let them run their own counter also, black and yellow, and who is going to pay for the counter, let them decide. But we will also start our counter of app with the app and giving proper service to the people who go and tourists who come.
Are these black and white taxi operators adamant on this issue when you all are trying?
See, most of them are favourable, but there are some, I said, old leaders who have to update themselves in the technology. They don't understand. They still have those old mobiles, that's why they don't know how to operate it. I don't blame them. Even if I was of their age, maybe I would have been on the similar background. But somehow today world is progressing. We also, as a big tourist destination state, we also should progress in a positive way. We are not saying that आमकां खंय नाका तांकां तेंचे पोटार पांय दिले. ते आमचे सगळे गोंयकार भाव, आमी तेंच्या वांगडा आसतलेच, पूण असले एडमेंट्सी चलची ना. आनी खंय तरी म्हाका दिसता आमी एक सर्वीस गोंयचे ट्युरिस्टां खातीर करपाक जाय, गोंयचे लोकां खातीर करपाक जाय, आनी हें सगळें आमी करून दितले.
Till now, how many services have been added into app service? How many have registered?
The registration, I think, almost it is ongoing. It is not stopped. Already more than 200 or 200 plus taxis have already put themselves, and nobody knows what it is. So once it is an ongoing process, so we are finishing it shortly, and then we will know the final figure.